In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take payments in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have your payment provider connected so you can start collecting money directly through your GoHighLevel account. Let's start inside your GoHighLevel dashboard. From the main screen, look for the section called Launchpad. This is usually one of the first areas you see when you log in, and it's designed to help you quickly set up the most important parts of your account. Go ahead and click into your Launchpad so we can access the payment settings from there. Once you're in the Launchpad, you'll see a number of options related to your account setup. Find the option labeled Payments. This is where GoHighLevel centralizes everything related to billing, invoices, and payment processing. Click on Payments to open up the payment area. Inside the Payments section, look toward the top or side navigation for an option called Integrations. Integrations are what allow GoHighLevel to talk to external tools, like your payment processor. Click on Integrations so we can choose which provider you want to connect. On the Integrations page, you'll see a list of available payment providers. Common examples include services like Stripe or PayPal, though what you see might vary depending on your region and your GoHighLevel plan. Next to each provider, there will be a button that says Connect. Decide which provider you want to use, then click Connect next to that provider's name. If you're unsure which one to choose, pick the one you already use for your business, or the one that best fits your country, currency, and fees. After you click Connect, you'll be taken to a screen with a button that says something like Connect With, followed by the provider name. For example, it might say Connect with Stripe or Connect with PayPal. Click that button to begin the secure connection process between GoHighLevel and your chosen payment service. At this point, you'll be redirected to the provider's login or sign-up page. Here, you can either log into an existing account or create a new one if you don't already have it set up. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. This usually includes confirming your business details, bank account, and any required verification steps. Once you finish, you'll be brought back into GoHighLevel, and your payment integration will be active. From there, you'll be ready to start taking payments through your funnels, invoices,